Mentagsi kesantrik leber arzar apndre menteri rangbah ke jylla konrad kia sangma sembut menteri rangbah ba preston tensong badi peja ketenat kampoyeng kila samya ke shithi thungkam sya ki arrajar kendas pa ndru prangut ki samla ha ke kampulit ha ke jingyalang ke balong ha ke second MLP battalion Tura. Yakini ki arajar kendas pa ndru prangut la kenthop lang ha ki shnat ba pher ki bade ha ka kenhon ban bat suloi ki long shijar saus pa kendap sangut ki bade ha ka kenhon bam bat suloi ki long nyos pa arpongut ha ka kenhon pa jengtip ars pa san ngut bat ki pulit ding ches pa kendap san ngut ha bakran ha kani ka jinglang mentirang ba ka jylla luang ba kani ka dei ka sien ka baningkong ha ka khana ka jylla bakal aya ka shithi thungkam ha ka shisen ai hadu arajar kendas pa ndru prangut ki samla bat kani kalong keburam bat kejeng sosarong ya ke sorkar. Menteri rangbah lupan kan mau kibala apply ya kani ke kampulit kilong shilak nyopo hajar ngut hendrei kibala syajit kilong arajar kendas pa ndru prangut. Menteri rangbah lupan kan mau ya kini kibala yo pendrong ha ke kampulit bakin long kibadan ke jingkit klik na ke benda ke syongsuk syongsan balu ang habaki pong ya ke uniform ki dibandan ya ke jeng sosarong. Kiwei pat kibal keren ha ke jeng sam ya ke shithi thungkam kilong sembut menteri rangbah ke jylla ba preston tensong ke Director General Pulit ke Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang kabala keren priang buram ha kani ke jingelang ha kani ke sngi lai don lang ki wei pat ki he Pulit bat ki bahaya ngasam ban ya sekhi lang ya kani ke sngi.
Memorable day for each and every one of us who is present out here. For us in the government, this is a memorable day because, at least in my memory, this must be the largest distribution of appointment letters that I have ever seen in the recent past, or even I think in the entire history of the state. So therefore, for us as a government, this is a very, very proud and a very, very memorable moment. For the CRB and the Home Police Department, again a memorable day, because not only was this exercise a very, very difficult one, because there were over 1,70,000 people who had applied, but even the satisfaction today of being able to appoint close to 3,000 people, having new members coming into their team, this in itself must be a sense, or giving a sense of great satisfaction and happiness to the police department. Because I'm sure that even they must have been looking forward for this day, must have thought about this almost every day and night, and I'm sure they must be feeling extremely proud to see their daughters, their sons, their brothers, their sisters today to be proudly receiving these appointment letters. And of course, this is a very memorable day for you, our new recruits. But I have to tell you that this is not just a memorable day. This is not just a ceremonial program, but this is a day which I hope you will remember for the rest of your life. It's a day that I hope will remind you of the great responsibility that you have on your shoulders. I hope this day will also remind you about the principles on which you will have to perform your duties as you take on your responsibilities and roles.